Welcome back, everybody. So it is March and time is flying by, and it is time for yet another giveaway. Today we're going to be giving away an item from Park Sense. I saw this on Facebook and I thought I would want to give it a try. So we are going to open it up and I'm going to show you. It's a candle, and if you can't guess what the scent is yet, you're probably not going to be surprised. All right, it is a mansion scented candle. It's supposed to be the scent of the haunted mansion, I suppose, or at least reminiscent of it. It's an 8-ounce candle. It says on the description here, an old Victorian house filled with grim, grinning ghosts and ballroom dance parties. Caution when lighting. We are not responsible for hitchhiking ghosts. It's kind of cute, and as you can see, it's got a little bit of silhouette of the haunted mansion, the doom buggies, the graveyard, and of course the hearse, which actually shows a horse in it instead of the, as if you've been to the Disney World or Disneyland Park, they've got the little hearse with the sort of fake ghost-like horse instead of a real one. So I was kind of curious to see what this actually smelled like, because of course, who doesn't love the haunted mansion? Okay, well, I'm not exactly sure how I would describe that. I'm not very good with scents. I'm sorry. I have no idea. I mean, it smells like it's a pleasant scent. It's not floral or anything. But I don't know how you would equate this with the Haunted Mansion. But maybe you can tell me, because I'm going to be giving this away at the, as this month's giveaway. Let's see. Just looking at this, I don't remember how much I paid for this. I used like a 15% off coupon, but it was expensive. I mean, I don't know why. You know, I bought one of those candles from Bath and Body Works last year that was horrendously expensive. You may remember me talking about that. This one was like almost $30 for this tiny little candle. I can't believe it. But it is, I guess, a soy candle, if that makes any difference. And it smells interesting, but I'm not going to light it. I'm going to rely on the winner of this month's giveaway to tell me what it smells like, and I'm going to tell you how you can win this at the end of the video. But first, as I like to do with my giveaway videos, I want to send a special thank you to my patrons out there. But even before that, I want to give an extra special thank you to one of our watchers out there, Hannah K, who stopped me in the wild as I was on my walk the other day. Made me feel like a celebrity. It was like, I know you, you have a YouTube channel. And it was quite exciting to meet one of my subscribers out there in the wild. So that was always fun. And of course, if anyone else has seen me in the wild, feel free to say hello. I always enjoy that. So anyway, I did want to also give that special shout out to Josh, the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, who is my newest patron that joins our Fright Club. And he has a YouTube channel, which we'll take a look at in a moment. But first, also, we need to thank the other wonderful patrons out there that help support the channel. And that includes Acorn and Oak, Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, B. Hugh, Carla Perea, Cathy Lacy, Craig Thomas, Eerie Eric, Frady Zone, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Kip and Jace, Lady D, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Ryan Huffman, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. Thank you all very much for helping support the channel. It really does mean a lot to me. And if anyone else out there wants to join our Patreon team, you can do so at the link below. But as I said, let's go ahead and check in with those patrons that have a YouTube channel and see what they are up to. So we'll start here with Josh the Inflatable Tractor Guy's channel, and let's take a look at his About section. He says, "Hi, my name is Josh and I love inflatables, tractors, singing fish, and Nerf guns. Check out my channel and please sub to me, and check out his website as well, which he links here." So let's go ahead and take a look at some of his videos, and as you can see, he uploads videos, it looks like several times a week, and it's mostly about inflatables. So if you're interested in checking out inflatables or seeing what's new out on the market, he shows us their promo videos, does some reviews, and then also just does some interesting little videos not only about his displays, but other things as well, like here where he's taking a look at some peacocks and ducks and pheasants. I love peacocks. My grandfather actually had peacocks as well. They're beautiful birds, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. Okay, next up we have Patchouli Julie's channel, and that is Gnome King Productions. And since our last check-in, there has been a 1999 alien love soap opera drama and a theme song that they have, I guess, created. And his channel is all about, or their channel I should say, is all about these surrealist videos and music. So if that's your thing, give it a go. We also have Heather St. John, whose channel is TCat Makes. Hasn't uploaded since our last check-in, but I expect we're going to see some material soon. Next up, Halloween Inflatable Geek, and he also does inflatable reviews, but also branches out into other everyday topics as well. Lately he's been restoring an old Mustang, and since our last check-in, he's got a motor that he's talking about, which is way beyond me. I'm not technical in any way, but it's neat seeing old cars get restored. So that's Halloween Inflatable Geek. Next up, Spooky Bev makes spooky videos every once in a while. Not for a while now, though. And she did check in on our last video just to let us know that she is okay and is still out there doing more of her other social media rather than YouTube. But check out her videos if you'd like. And, of course, her Instagram is probably listed there as well. All right, next up we have Spooky Spectacle, who does all sorts of spooky and Halloween videos too. And she has done one video since our last check-in, and it is a review of an Autumn Nation blog. So it's always nice to see other Halloween-related content throughout the year. Frady Zone has done some wonderful videos, very atmospheric and clever and funny. But her latest video is kind of more of a showing what she received from our good friend at Cobwebs and Candlesticks, who sent her some interesting things. And I was completely grossed out as soon as she opened that package, so check it out if you want to see why. All right, Skull Crane Entertainment does a lot of animatronics reviews, and he has a website where he's building one and sells them and fixes them and all so forth. The latest videos he has made include a gruesome granny restoration and demo video. And I'm very impressed with people who can fix these things and have that knowledge. Much like the Mustang with Halloween Inflatable Geek, none of that is up my alley. I feel like all I can do is open a box and show you what's in it, and that's all I can do. All right, Indiana Jones does crafting videos of all sorts, and lately she has been doing some springtime crafts, including some Easter bunny things and making some faux candy bunnies and some birdhouse decors, all for spring. And it's very pretty and very clever, but I can't wait to see the fall stuff again. And then last up we have Acorn and Oak, who is also a crafter, does cards, does crafts, does decorating. And since our last check-in, looks like he's done something with breadboards, made them into nice little wall art, and then he's done a spring tour of his home and a bunny candlestick. So, you know, one thing I'm always asked is, where do I store all of my Halloween stuff? Well, Gareth, who runs Acorn and Oak, has all these decorations for all these holidays. I don't know where he stores it, because that's one holiday's enough, let alone all of them. But check out Acorn and Oak if you'd like to see more details. Thank you once again, wonderful patrons. It's nice to have you in my Fright Club and supporting the channel. And again, if anyone else is interested, check out the link below and check out the links to all of their channels in the description to check them out. So, as I said, this month we are giving away the Park Sense Mansion candle. And to win this, I just don't understand what that smell is. I like it, but I don't know why. Anyway, so you need to leave me a comment in the description of this video below. Let me know if you have been to Disney World or Disneyland, what your favorite ride is. In fact, if you've been to any theme park anywhere, let me know what your favorite theme park ride is, because I'm a theme park junkie and love them all, and I want to check out what your favorites are if they're not already some of mine. So we will give this away in a week and a half or so. We'll call it Wednesday the 24th. We're going to do a live giveaway drawing. You don't need to be present to win, but it's more fun if you are. I will take everyone who has properly entered below, assign you a clue character from one of my clue collections, and we will do a clue elimination game. It's a lot of fun, very easy. All you do is you pick room names until we eliminate them all, and eventually we've got one person left who's going to win the very expensive Haunted Mansion candle this month. So that'll do it. So be sure you leave me that comment below and get entered, and I will see you in a little while for that giveaway. Hopefully we'll have some fun videos up before then too. So stay tuned. That'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and happy haunting.